Osei Kyei Bonsu, former majority leader, Ebusuya Wababe Chilensem, Kwenam so, Emma Yasaki ni free, parliament. Sounds near say appointment be a cause when they Afia Schwar, Wabe blasti Kumawood for now, appoint to a Monabusia High Island Media Ghana. Message or best subscribe, no share video, I'm for NB Ashe. Yen say Honorable Osei Kyei Bonsu, no your former MP. Ede Maswa, me sounds no a former majority leader. Afia no sounds a former minister for parliamentary affairs. I abusuene wadi nchiremu abe kwenam so yesaki ni free parliament. Abla no twetwe nkomo ewo Asempa FM. Abusuya obi ta yechira na yankwa ne kwaji nchiremu ni nyina emfamra. Have
you been told at the frontier party necessary as majority leader then? Or my catcher? Do you know why you were changed?
I know. It was told me by the president at the time.
Okay.
But
why in the public?
Osei.
Like, the reason one fan to you.
Oh, say, free MPs no name ministers no.
Yes.
Or them a share.
Yes.
Sadino.
Okay.
Na a seven bano. MPs no be even about over 80 of them. That many number 137. About 80 of them had appended their signatures. So what to say as say neighbor. And I should assure them say I will hold and they will support me. And me call ya present a fraying and all the two anymore. Now even them who cramp no ministers no be a bit here now so say I want to say na papa no beka. Na president Yamai. Now mamintie. They are going to support me. Now I should hold on as the majority
leader.
Now me down some of them sent messages to me. Me called them Hona President Bekasa no. I know kaso adena oye no nyono oni party no eneye. Na me match no against the MPs no ya. Ma here get the big implosion beba party. Oh. And on the spur of the moment, I decided to say no, I've had enough. Let me step aside. The president Kasa Danukwana me take it down notes. The way no ma general secretary. So only general secretary come on or take it decision. No friends will make us. So I pick it down a few notes. We no be some said will be become. The show and make us my resign.
You said it there and there.
I said it there and there. So I didn't want to be the eye of any storm in the party. I'm quoting myself. Until I'm resigning. And then why didn't, and those of them no more MPs no fault, disappointed them and so on. And so when they heard, they all said the same thing. But I think I took
Kasano on my reasoning to on the party to take his decision. Say watch it do and now so Mufi say they are from an answer day.
And not the meeting I can say.
Yes.
The okay and say some na NDC for now a President Mahama no more yin so beda
yes.
Na onyi ni running mate. But sen na AC corona ni so be fa a Vice President ene Professor
Jena
yes. Intino President Frey na sem no nam say Nipo no. So Central Region I say ho den kofom. Ewo ho. Na any visibility ewo ho. The minority leaders am na to. What take over from Haruna.
Yes.
And they were expecting to have the vice presidential candidate from the same region.
Sure.
And Waka say we need to have some visibility there. And intina omugidi say
omunyo be from
Central Region. That was Assembly. So, Yemra Muse say no kra, Yestani or say no. The minority leader or the majority leader is a person chosen by the party people in parliament. And your party outside.
Yes.
So, Intina Okasa Okipia, I could fancy Baba.
I didn't send
Intina, yes and no, I mean, what you say.
But did the reason make sense to you? Say, party now who are in the visibility air from more opponent of a minority leader or mafa or more babe fat running mate. That should be a good reason, Anna.
Well, Ubisa me say
it didn't make sense to you.
No de Mr. Me pese me kan ho asem. My crew entwa me ho.
But you were not happy with the decision.
Oh, especially say na AC kono say man hwe ya and I'm so cry my confusion about
party name, yeah.
Fancy the situation. Senka man step aside. Ena enne ye di nkugu yi. Na nkugu no so enye light nkugu.
Yeah.
Enti ahu say me fa na senka ye twuma me ntwimi bai. Na nkugu ya be ya. Chimenza Bonsu refused to resign. Na nkrofo di mechi na hey. Nka nkugu e bai ya. Nka me kra ye be side me. Say me kan ho bi.
And a party
didn't go. And then, na minka. What you say? The share situation and I'm saying, and as to whether it made sense or not, no. Let me leave it to posterity.
I was saying, say that John Dramani Mahama more appointed a man for any Rebecca young grandpa Joycelyn Dumas, a news to be by a nature, say appointing no. Emma Bridgeton so ebe pile liar chese. Nani kuku tia so din ene ya hu se Kumawood actress ne actors ni bi wonu ma ya appoint omo said there be omo say di Kumawood no ebe back ye nyina hu se James Gardner crampo ya appoint ne no ena Afia shas ne Ghana ne wadwala crampo abusua wono so abetutu bi dia ma ne eye Kumawood fo no omo press ye be appoint omo abusua ene ensem de waka bi pa na ye Christian awuni ene bigger quiz omo so de e ka ho ye hwe video no Emra.
NDC for Amu Ashanti Region Mumra. NDC stars no more. Manchester Bridget Otu Esu. Now Bridget Otu. NDC people they don't reward somebody who is loud for them. Bridget Otu. Ebia de me ken and ebia omudi ani wo be frawa ma deputy bibi because Bridget Otu man ke bia ma wa ye few. NDC for they don't reward people who are loud for them. And can fear them as sitting in here. And to be to your kind of yampa every day, monkey the work, slave queens the chop. And can be to you know what the same I mean, so what one appointed James Gardner, near appointed. I was a proud about near appointed monkey the work every where I can be a for what only amount 20,000. That is the job of the monkey. In the NDC, Afia and the one most of the mumu training mumu do send your mamu book and waiting your job. Yeah, now point him for them. They say, ya coffee big a quiz. I did not call CEO of petroleum. Again, no waiting your kind of. Ah, I am Mama Mama Sumuno. Yeah, don't quasi a phone, I am quasi a demand. It's simple. Yeah, in quasi a demand, you don't quasi a phone. Yeah, we are. So I'm so peka and say, Mamma Kia Picanto. Your mamma and son, you know. Ọbẹpẹ hunda ya sent bi a chama wo Moses ya na enko so person say wo mo koye message e do say no betimi atro akengan ye de ne kotran e bi e be ni CEO of KM ana wa Christian awuni no ni di awuni no betimi atro de je mo kan ja santo fo ne say Kumawood no wo ha na wo ko school na wo upgrade you oh de me aha oh now we hear your courses now we be so now we upgrade you what I say and just idea and every day monkey the work babu the chop and I'm trying but 2 years and so you have to choose where you will be. Are you a monkey or you a baboon? And the monkey is what to say time and why and minutes are covered to a chiliba and the dear Santa for a time no guys idea. Also for job here, monkey has worked by time and why are winning the first and one no, and I would use until 4 term no. Now said my would see so no pampas so one fro no yo bibi no be the bear no.
Hey, abusia ensem na no ade o Christian awuni yesi awuni nkura wuntimi ntwura bega kwezi so kwa de ma penny people hwe na wo betwire nti so we movie and asa we dey say ko school ni be kan say dey be ya di bra bi ba ye betimi appoint abusia ensem ne de edosu bebre aha Island Media Ghana Mestro so be me notification be no attend no all ya upload video awanya bi ahwe Mestro so be share so e de ama me one like no commenting so me dey the achre broni me da